If you want to give your video that nostalgic VHS look in Premiere Pro, here's how you can do it step by step. Start by heading to your project panel, right-click, and create a new adjustment layer. Click OK. Then drag this layer onto your timeline, ensuring it spans the full duration of your clip. This adjustment layer is where we'll apply all the effects for the VHS style. Next, open the Effects panel and search for Posterize Time. Drag it onto your adjustment layer. This effect controls the frame rate, so set it to something low like 14 frames per second to give your video that choppy, retro feel. Now, add the Channel Blur effect. Apply it twice to the same adjustment layer. In the first instance, set the red blurriness to 30 and the blur dimensions to horizontal. In the second instance, set the blue blurriness to 30, keeping the blur dimensions horizontal again. This creates that classic color separation seen in old VHS footage. Now, before we move on to the next step, if you're using a newer version of Premiere Pro and can't find the Channel Blue effects, then don't worry. In the Effects panel, right-click, select Import Presets, and download the presets linked in the description. Import them and you'll have access to the missing effects. For the grainy, compressed look, find the JPEG damage effect and apply it. Adjust the settings until you're happy with how degraded the footage looks. Lower values make it look rougher, while higher ones preserve some quality. Next, open the Lumetri color panel. Under the Creative tab, set Faded Film to higher value depending on your video and sharpen to -50. This adds a washed-out soft detail to the image, which is another hallmark of VHS. To replicate the square aspect ratio of VHS, search for the Crop effect and apply it. In Effect Controls, crop 14% from the left and right sides. To soften the edges and make them less harsh, increase the edge feather to about 14 as well. Finally, to add the authentic texture, you'll need some VHS overlay footage. Download a suitable texture online and drag it onto your timeline above the adjustment layer. In Effect Controls, change the blend mode of this overlay to Screen to remove the black areas. If needed, crop the overlay to match your video's dimensions. And that's it. With these adjustments, your footage should now have a convincing VHS effect, perfect for capturing that retro vibe.